Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing well and staying at home because COVID is it now at high risk, and don't take it in easy way, and don't let your children to go outside also for playing. Here at my place, each and every day is not passing without the thundering and raining. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm preparing a kind of snack, aloo pakoda. So here I'm peeling off the skin of potato. I am using this Wonder Chef Turbo Blender. Actually, I bought this from Amazon and it's cost 800 maybe. This is chopping blade by which you can chop the vegetables in easy way. It's kind of the time saver. There are 4 kind of plates have given there. Among them, the steel blade is I am using here. You need to place like this and now close upper lid. This is kind of gear. Now we need to place in that hole, which helps moving around the plates. And this helps to pressing the vegetables which you cut. You can see there is slicing getting done in that box. Now take out that blade carefully because once I have cut out my finger. You can see how thin slices of potato here. Now I'm adding this too in water because it needs to discard the starch of the potato. And these all are the leftover cutting of the potato which I'm adding here. You need to apply your strength to press it. And that is small part of potato has leftover. Nothing we can do because no one is perfect in the world to save each and everything. It can be used in further cooking, nothing to worry. Wash and leave it for dry. Here preparation is going for making a batter for aloo pakoda. Here I have taken besan or gram flour, now adding salt as per the taste. Next goes red chili powder. This is ajwain seeds or carom seeds. You need to crush by your palms, then add to the flour. This is kalonji and black seeds, and there is saying in Quran also, this medicine for everything except the death. Azan is being called off. Sorry, I didn't show you while I was adding the baking soda. This is another kind of the blades which helps to beat the batter. Add water as our needs and then move it around. Now batter is ready. You can see the consistency or thickness of this. Now it's time for frying it. Whatever you cook as a snack by adding the baking soda, it must be leave for some time for the rest, then only it give the good texture and taste. Now take slices one by one and dip into the batter, then carefully drop in the oil. At time of frying, in case of any snack, we reduce the flame. Here fruits are being cutting down for iftari. My children are fond of like this snack to have with the chutney or ketchup. After iftari, we all had been to supermarket for grocery shopping. I'm just telling her to keep walking, but she at any time she is ready to give the poses. I took here just small kind of things. What actually I needed foremost, that only I have took because already there was a things at the home. I took her outside because she was started her tantrums there. I think this happens with everyone, especially with the parents who go out with their children, then they ask for this and that. There she was asking me a bicycle because already we have at our home. There I found black salt, which I really got amazed to see it there. And this is kind of lengthy brush which actually I was looking forward to clean the bottles. To this bottle I was talking about. These are leftover slices of potato which I am drying here. After I came from the supermarket, I cleaned the kitchen, and this fish I took out from the fridge for the sahiri and then prepared the dal. That's for all today. I hope you like it and enjoy my videos and subscribe my channel. Khuda Hafiz.